Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by the brand called Vitaltech. And pretty much what this is a VR headset that's used to obviously see virtual reality stuff using your smartphone, device, or whatever. So first thing first, I'm actually unbox it and show you guys what comes out the package first. So when you guys open the package, as you can see, this is basically what it looks like. Provide you a little case with the logo on there and everything. And then on the bottom, they provide you a little user manual instruction guide on how to set up a product and how to use it, if you guys can see right here. So when we open the case itself, you guys can see this is basically what it looks like. So here is the actual product itself right here. And then they provide you the cord itself, or the straps itself that is actually used to strap it on the VR headset itself. And on the bottom, they provide you some wipes and alcohol pads. So you guys can see this is what it looks like right here. This is where you guys will actually look through the lens or goggles itself to see the product. And then on the back side is where you guys will actually open up the component to put in your smartphone here. Has the cushioning throughout the product right here, and same thing right here as well, so then you guys won't scratch the phone itself. So basically all you guys kind of have to do is put your phone on here like this, make sure it fits correctly, and then you guys just snap it in place like this, and then you guys start seeing everything that's on the actual device itself just like this if you guys wanted to. How you guys would open this part up though is by opening the component right here like this, and then pull it out all the way, and you can see it's all the way like this, and this is what it looks like. If you guys look at the top part right here, they have like the button to move it left and right. So you guys want to move like the lens itself like this, you guys can. And basically how you guys put the straps is the top or the long part like this will go to the top part, which is right here. And then for the other two straps, you guys can put it side by side. So let me actually put it on and show you guys what I mean. So basically once you have the product set up, this is basically what it looks like. So the strap like this, and then the actual VR like that. Then you guys can start putting it on like this. So let me actually put it on first. Alright, so it'll look something like this if you guys can see. If you guys want to make it looser or tighter, that's up to you guys. This is the size that is recommended on the product when you guys put the straps. And by what I mean by recommended is, like, if you guys open the straps, you guys can see that if you guys pull it any further away from this area, you guys can see that the material starts to be different. So right here and right here is different. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. So first thing, let me actually test out the visual and everything using the VR headset and see how it performs first, and then talk more about it in a second. Alright, so I have to say that this is actually really awesome. I think out of all the VR headsets that I have owned in the past or have tested in the past, I think this one is probably the best one that I've tried so far, because it's definitely a higher grade quality, but then also because of the fact that it's so portable. Like, you guys can fold this all the way down, and you guys can reuse it next time if you guys want to, and you guys can actually fit this into like your bag really easily. If you guys can look at how small it is, just ignore the strap, but just looking at the product itself, it's actually really portable and super lightweight and everything. Definitely an awesome product if you guys want to use it like on the plane or somewhere where you guys are traveling. If you guys are super bored or something, this would definitely get your mind out of the boredness and whatever. So now that we did like a little unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that if you guys want one of these or need one of these, then obviously it is worth it. Especially for the price range, is actually really reasonable. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's much for the unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have.